Okay, what I've done already was disassemble the PlayStation 4 motherboard so I can go ahead and take off the HDMI port. What I'm doing is adding low temp solder to the joints because the leaded solder is a lot stronger, so I have to weaken it a little bit so it doesn't tear. So what I'll do is go ahead and apply solder to each leg so I can get this HDMI port out. Easy. I've already added my flux. Keep the board cool and capped and tape. Go ahead and use my hot air reworks machine and hot air machine and start desoldering the port or removing the port. Solder starting to melt. There we go. Solder's out, port's out. Go ahead and replace it.
404 Computer Repair is the place to go when you need professionally certified computer and cell phone repair. We understand your need to be connected and accessible. Most repairs can be handled in less than an hour. We provide a comfortable waiting area, as well as merchandise to make your electronic experiences better. When you need cell phone and computer repair, stop by and visit one of our convenient locations. We look forward to seeing you at 404 Computer and Cell Phone Repair. If you have any questions, give us a call. 404-259-0183 or at www.computerrepairatlantastore.com.